In the early hours of June 6, 2025, the skies over Ukraine lit up with fire and fury. Russia unleashed one of its most devastating assaults since the war began, launching over 400 drones and 44 missiles in a massive retaliation. This was Putin's promised revenge for Ukraine's daring Operation Spider's Web, a covert drone strike that crippled a significant portion of Russia's strategic bomber fleet. Today, we delve deep into the events that led to this escalation and what it means for the future of this conflict. On June 1, 2025, Ukraine executed Operation Spider's Web, a meticulously planned drone attack targeting 5 major Russian airbases: Olenya, Dyagilevo, Ivanovo, Balaya, and Ukrainka. Utilizing 117 drones, many assembled within Russian territory, Ukraine managed to strike deep into Russia's military infrastructure. Ukrainian officials claim that 41 aircraft were damaged or destroyed, including 2 95 Mega Siemens and 2 Tu-2M3 bombers. U.S. sources confirmed that approximately 20 aircraft were hit, with 10 destroyed. This operation dealt a significant blow to Russia's long-range aviation capabilities, with damages estimated at $7 billion. In response, Russia launched a massive overnight assault on June 6, deploying 407 drones and 44 missiles across multiple Ukrainian regions, including Kyiv, Lviv, Chernihiv, and Ternopil. The attack resulted in at least 4 fatalities and over 20 injuries. Residential buildings were set ablaze, and critical infrastructure was damaged. Russia's defense ministry stated that the strikes targeted Ukrainian military and defense industry facilities, framing them as retaliation for what it termed terrorist acts by Kyiv. The international community reacted swiftly. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky condemned the attacks, urging stronger global pressure on Russia and asserting that inaction equates to complicity. U.S. President Donald Trump acknowledged the severity of the situation, expressing concerns over escalating tensions. European leaders reiterated their support for Ukraine, emphasizing the need for unity and decisive action to deter further aggression. This exchange marks a significant escalation in the conflict. Ukraine's innovative use of drone technology showcases a shift in modern warfare tactics, enabling asymmetric strategies against a more resource-intensive adversary. Russia's retaliatory strikes, while massive, also highlight the challenges of sustaining prolonged military operations. As both nations brace for potential further escalations, the global community watches closely, hoping for a resolution but preparing for continued conflict. Russia's response was not just brute force, it was calculated. According to Russian defense sources, the retaliation was coordinated from high command centers, with Putin personally briefed on target selection. The goal? Restore deterrence, showcase strength, and crush Ukraine's growing confidence after their long-range success. Kremlin insiders hinted at a shift toward strategic unpredictability, a doctrine designed to keep adversaries off balance. Ukraine's success in Operation Spider's Web was made possible not just by ingenuity, but by access to cutting-edge Western intelligence and tech. U.S. satellite surveillance, NATO provided drones, and open-source AI navigation tools enabled deep strikes inside Russian territory. This raises serious questions. Is Ukraine still operating as an independent actor, or is this becoming a proxy war driven by global tech powerhouses? Beyond the political chess game, ordinary people are paying the highest price. Kyiv's metro halted, homes were destroyed, children woken by missile sirens, families displaced. Again, humanitarian groups have called for immediate ceasefires and aid corridors. But amid the firepower, voices of peace are drowned out. This is not just Putin's revenge, it's a tragedy for countless innocent lives. Is this the start of a larger war phase, or a climax before diplomacy? Experts remain divided. Some warn that Russia might escalate with hypersonic weapons or cyber attacks. Others say Ukraine's bold tactics are forcing a faster route to negotiations. One thing is certain. The next moves on this geopolitical chessboard will not just shape Eastern Europe. They could redefine global power in the 21st century. This is no longer just a regional conflict. This is a battlefield where drones challenge empires, where technology rewrites tactics, and where every strike echoes across the globe. As Putin strikes back and Ukraine fights forward, one question remains: how far will this go? If you want the truth behind the headlines, the strategy behind the chaos, and the future that no one else will show you, subscribe now to Decoding History and Science. Hit that bell icon so you never miss the next twist in this unfolding war. Drop your thoughts below. We want to hear what you think is coming next. Because this isn't just a story. This is history in real time.